Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and to another birthday giveaway. My birthday month is going strong with lots and lots of giveaways, and today we have a brand new one. And this is something that is brand new to me and maybe is brand new to the rest of you. I have been working with a couple of companies for a while, Equip and Perfect Keto, and they were started by Dr. Anthony Gustin. And if you've been in the health, wellness, paleo, keto world for a while, you've probably heard of him. And he started both, or he was one of the co-founders, I guess, of both Equip and Perfect Keto. And he has now started another company, and that is the company that we're going to be talking about today and exploring their product and then doing a giveaway. I also have an exclusive sale coupon code for the next 3 days available. So if it really piques your interest and it's something you want to try, definitely use the sale info. I'll be giving all of that shortly. So the company is Ion Layer, and this is all brand new stuff to me, so I'm not going to try to go into the science of any of this at all. I will try to give some resources in the description, so if you want to do some more research on this stuff, you can, find all the details there. But basically what they offer is a couple of different supplements, that are often administered via IV. So I have actually gone to a lot of IV clinics, or what do they call them, like IV bars almost, where you can go in and get IVs of different things like vitamin C or whatever. And I, of course, was going in to get iron infusions because of all of my iron issues, but I, got experience with these IV bars. And a couple things that are often on the menu at the IV bar is this NAD plus and glutathione. So basically what Ion Layer offers is an at-home, non-invasive way to get a similar experience as the IV infusions of the glutathione or the NAD+. It does not involve any needles. It's done transdermally, so it's like you're wearing a patch. And I'm going to go through applying one of these. I haven't done it before, so this will be something that we get to experience together. You just apply the either glutathione or the NAD+ to the patch, and you apply it to your skin. You wear it for 14 hours and you take it off. And apparently you get similar benefits as you would just getting an IV of either one. But of course, IVs are very expensive. And so this is a less expensive option for those IV therapies. Now, I will say they are not cheap. So if you are going in and getting IVs of these things, you might save some money by moving over to Ion Layer. But it is still a pretty big expense. And I'm gonna be experiencing it for myself. And it's going to have to be some really amazing experience in order for me to justify the expense of doing this. I was reading their info and they said, if you're trying to bump up your levels, you're just getting started, maybe do 6 patches in 6 days or 6 patches every other day. So for 2 weeks. And that's kind of a big boost. And then after that, if you want to just have a maintenance, you would do it every 5 days. So that means you would need a box from them, a monthly shipment from them of 6 patches, and you'd have to do that every month. And that's going to be a pretty big expense if you just do that every month for the rest of your life. So, as I have talked about recently, sometimes these expensive things, you find out later on that they are worth it. Like I did with red light therapy, where, looking back, I'm like, well, if I had known the amazing benefits that I was going to get, I would have gone ahead and spent the money years ago. So if I, experience that kind of amazing benefit with the Ion Layer patches, and I am going to be doing the NAD plus one, that's the one I chose. And so I'm going to try it, and I'm going to have to get pretty amazing results in order to justify the expense moving forward. So just full disclosure there. But I did really want to take advantage of the opportunity to get a giveaway for you guys from Ion Layer. So I'm going to be giving away a monthly kit for you guys. You can either choose the glutathione or the NAD+. So you'd have to go over and kind of research which one you would like if you end up being the winner of the giveaway. So like I said, this is all brand new to me. So I printed off some of the info that they sent me about NAD+, and I am just going to read it for you guys. We're going to focus on the NAD+ in this video and not the glutathione. I don't want to try to understand all of that right now and try to regurgitate it to you. So we're just going to focus on the NAD+. So NAD, and I'm not even going to be able to say this, so I will put it up on the screen, is a coenzyme that is required for over 500 biological processes that we know of now in the body, including metabolism and energy production, cellular and DNA repair, organ function, and more. NAD+ is the form of NAD that essentially acts as a shuttle, which is able to carry electrons around the body and drop them off at certain places we need them to carry out enzymatic reactions. The more electrons available to do the work, the more capacity your body has to do a whole host of things. We naturally produce it, and it's derived from a B vitamin, but we produce much less of it as we age, and even less of it as it gets used up by inflammatory processes. If you increase the amount of NAD+, it has been shown to improve energy production, reduce inflammation, extend lifespan, and impact nearly every single organ system in a positive way. So as I was researching NAD+, I realized that there are connections between how NAD+ affects the body and red light therapy. And you guys know that I have been obsessed with red light therapy recently, and it has really changed my life. And so I was like, I wonder, the connection between the red light therapy or how they're working and if it's, related. And so I did a quick, YouTube search like you do, red light therapy plus NAD+. And I found a great video by Dr. Paul Anderson. So I will link that up in the cards as well as down in the description. So if you're curious about the interplay of NAD+ and red light therapy and how, they work similarly on the body, definitely check out that video. But it seemed like maybe NAD+ having a little bit more would enhance the benefits that I'm seeing from red light therapy. So that made me really curious to try it. So I'm just going to read off what they have here for benefits of NAD+. And they have studies. They have links for studies. So if you want any of the study links for any of these that I'm going to mention, let me know down in the comments and I will send you the link. So the first benefit, boosted energy and metabolism. And this is what really reminded me of the red light therapy. NAD+ has been shown to increase your mitochondria function and ATP production, the power plant and energy currency of your cells that drive your energy and metabolism. Next is improved longevity. NAD+ levels decline as you age. This decline is linked to age-related diseases like cognitive decline, cancer, metabolic disease, and frailty. Many of these processes have been shown to slow or even reverse by restoring NAD+ levels. Next is improved performance and recovery. Increasing NAD+ levels in mice has been shown to increase endurance, capacity, stem cells, and regeneration of skeletal muscle tissue. A better working brain. This is the thing that I need in my life and the thing that I really got from red light therapy, and anything that's gonna boost me in the same kind of way, I'm all for. NAD+ pathways have been shown as critical to prevent neuronal degradation, increasing neuroplasticity, and counteract processes that lead to cognitive decline seen in Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Next is reduced inflammation. Raising NAD+ status for only 1 week has shown reduced expression of inflammation markers such as TNF-A and IL-6, and has been shown to reduce symptoms of inflammatory autoimmune conditions. And last one here is better DNA repair. DNA damage has been linked to a variety of diseases and aging. NAD+ status improvement has been shown to increase angiogenesis, DNA repair and synthesis, and liver regeneration. So that is all fascinating stuff. And of course, the studies were done not specifically on this product, but on NAD plus levels in the body, maybe using other like the IVs or different things. So it's not specifically studies about these patches. Just wanted to be clear about that. One other thing I'll throw in here real quick that piqued my interest when I was researching NAD plus is that some people are seeing benefits from it in response to long COVID. So I know a lot of people have been dealing with long COVID and, you know, all kinds of issues that have come from that. And from what it sounds like, some people are seeing benefit from getting their NAD plus levels up. So I wanted to throw that out there because I know a lot of people are still dealing with that. Okay, now I'm gonna open up the box and I'm going to go ahead and apply one of the patches. So the monthly boxes come with 6 patches. And then these are like the covers that go over the patches so it doesn't come off easily. Oh, this looks so intimidating. This is what it looks like. So these little vials here are the NAD and these are the sterile water. So I need one of each of these. And of course we need the directions. Then we need one of the patches themselves and one of the pink vials. I think that's all we need at the moment. So you have to find a hair-free area of your body that you're gonna put it on. I think I'm gonna put mine like on the top of my hip, so I probably won't show you that part, but that's the plan. I am going to remove the patch from the pouch and place the patch upside down on a flat surface. Open the pink bottle of saline and drip until the negative side is saturated but not drenched. Let's see. They have a plus and a minus on here, so the negative side is here. We're gonna saturate but not drench. That looks saturated to me. Use the blue bottle of sterile water and the marking on the side to add 1 milliliter into your NAD vial. So this is like a powder. So we're gonna add 1 milliliter of water here. Okay. Now we are going to shake our bottle to activate our NAD+. Now pour the NAD+ solution onto the positive side. There we go. So I'm going to peel off the adhesive and then put it on my skin, and then I'm going to put this over the top to keep it protected. So hold please. Okay, that was painless. It's just right here. We'll see how painless it is when I have to remove it. That's the concern. I'm supposed to keep it on for 14 hours, so it is 5:30 p.m. So I will be ready to take it off mid-morning tomorrow. Now it just remains to be seen if I have any groundbreaking results from it. There is a list of possible side effects, although they say that with the transdermal infusion, it's a lot easier on the body than the IVs. You can apparently get nausea and different things from the IVs, but since this is infusing over 14 hours rather than a much shorter amount of time that you would do an IV, you don't usually get those same effects, so we shall see. So Ion Layer gave me a coupon code, which is just Indigo, that will get you $100 off of your order, and that is good anytime. But for this special 3-day birthday sale, they are bumping that up to $150 off. So if you're really interested in trying this and you don't want to risk waiting to see if you win or not, definitely use that coupon code Indigo. It's going to get you a better discount than the typical affiliate code discounts will get you. And that code will work on either the NAD Plus or the glutathione patch kits. And they're 6, just like I showed you, 6 patches per kit. That $150 coupon code will be valid only the 19th, 20th, and 21st of April 2025. So take advantage of it quickly if this is something you really want to try. And then we are also going to do a giveaway. The winner will get to choose either the glutathione or the NAD+. The winner does have to be 18 years or older, and they have to be in the United States. This is a prescription product. They have doctors on staff, so you don't have to worry about getting a prescription from your own doctor. They will provide the prescription from their medical professionals, but you do have to be in the US to win this. So in order to enter the giveaway, what I want you to do is just have the words ion layer in a comment on this video. I'm not doing a hashtag this time because on my last giveaway, some people had an issue with YouTube removing their comments that had hashtags in them. I don't know why, but we'll just avoid that by just ion layer. The 2 words separated with a space, just have that in the body of your comment. You can comment anything you like, but as long as it has the words ion layer in there, it will be entered to win. Only 1 comment per person will be an entry, and I will pick the winner on the 22nd, the morning of the 22nd. So this giveaway will be open the 19th, the 20th, and the 21st, same as the sale, and then I will pick the winner the morning of the 22nd. And if you are the winner, you will get a reply to your comment from me telling you that you're the winner. Now, there are YouTube scammers out there that like to pretend like they are the person doing the giveaway and reply to people's comments and try to get them to go somewhere and do something and scam them. If I reply to you and tell you that you're the winner, I will say, email me at indigoliza@gmail.com. That's the only way that I will ask you to contact me. So if you get anything from anybody telling you anything different than that, it's probably a scammer. I will also put a community post on my channel. If you go to my post section of my YouTube channel, you should see a post. Once I've drawn the giveaway winner, it will have the giveaway winner's name. So if you get a reply to your comment and you're kind of unsure if it's really me or not, you can go over to my posts and there will be a public post. And if it has your name on it, that means you are the winner. So go ahead and comment down below with that ion layer in the comment. Go ahead and check out the links I have in the description for more information about NAD+, especially the video about NAD++, red light therapy. Fascinating stuff if you are curious about it and just want to get more information. Thanks again to Ion Layer for offering this giveaway. I'm really grateful to be working with them, and I'm excited to see what this does for me. I will keep you updated on that. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.